How to register a KuCoin account. Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to create a KuCoin account. To register an account and get special offers from KuCoin, visit coinaz.net/KuCoin. Or click on the KuCoin account registration link in the description of this video. Let's get started. First, enter your email address or phone number. Then, click Create Account and claim reward. A verification code will be sent to your email. Please check your inbox. This is the email I received from KuCoin. If you don't see the email in your inbox, click More. Then check the spam folder. Now, I'll open the email. This is your verification code. Please copy this code. Then paste it here. Click Submit. Next, you need to create a password for your account. Here are the password requirements. You can refer to the example password shown on the screen. Click Confirm. Your account has been successfully created. The next step is identity verification. Click Verify now. First, select your country or region. Then click Get Verified. Next, choose the type of identification document. There are three options: ID card, passport, and driver's license. I'll choose ID card. Then click Continue. Choose a verification method, scan the QR code using the KuCoin app, or verify on your current device. I'll proceed with verification on the current device. Click Continue. Click Continue. Click Allow to access the camera, then place your document within the frame to proceed with verification. The next step is face verification. Click Continue. Then, follow KuCoin's instructions to complete the verification process. Your documents are being verified. You will receive an email notification once the verification process is complete. Now, I'll show you how to secure your account. Click Security. These are the security options available for your account. Now, I'll guide you through securing your account using Google Authenticator. Click Configure. Click Link Google Authenticator. KuCoin has sent a verification code to your email. Check your inbox, copy the code, and paste it here. Now, you need to download the Google Authenticator app on your phone. I'll guide you through downloading this app. First, open the App Store. If you're using an Android phone, open Google Play. Type the name of the app as shown on the screen. This is the app you need to download. Click here to download the app. Click Open. Click Get Started. Sign in with your Google account. Click Add a code. Then select Scan a QR code. Google Authenticator wants to use your camera. Click Allow. Now, scan the QR code provided by KuCoin. You've successfully added the code to the Google Authenticator app. Now, go back to the KuCoin website. The final step is to enter the verification code generated by the Google Authenticator app. Click Submit. You've successfully enabled Google Authenticator for your account. Similarly, you can enable other security methods by following KuCoin's instructions. I've just shown you how to create a KuCoin account. Wishing you success.